you get to heaven, I'll be here waiting, baby. You get what you deserve. The end, and if your life won't wait, then your heart can't take it. Tell you in the news that you're dead. No one ever had much nice to say. I think I never liked you anyway. You're dead. Me from the hospital bed. One never gonna take a pistol by the hand, and one never crying his way. But you're dead, and in my honest observation, during this operation, found a complication in your heart so loud. 'Cause now you've got maybe just 2 weeks to live.
If you've enjoyed this video, please consider supporting me on Patreon. Even just £1 a month helps me create more frequent uploads and better quality content. By becoming a patron on the new tier, you'll get access to exclusive full song tutorials, you'll have priority input on future videos and notations, you'll have access to all the PDFs, and plenty more. Your support allows me to keep making the videos you love. Thank you.